Hello guys, how you doing? This is me again, and in this video I'll try to clarify how to find the Java exercises and how to align the PowerPoints along with the exercises. And in the second part, I would like to speak about your assignment one. So let's go. So imagine here you are actually in the course content, all right? You go, for example, to Unit 1, and let's assume that you went to week two. And in week two, you downloaded the PowerPoint slides. Let's come just download it. Okay, let's open it. All right, you see here, once you go through, let me maximize. Once you go through and study the materials, you will see something like C example. Here is simple to Java. So what is this file? Again, you will see some files here. Try to refer you where to find the exercises. Let me just go through. Here, see example, variable.java here. So what is this file? Again, you will see so many exercises that those actually try to refer you to. See here, integer variables, again, cells, see examples. So what is this examples? Fun and fact. So let's go one by one. Let me go to the first one. So I believe the first one was sample. Okay, simple Java. So let's go to the Blackboard, and in here, if I go to the PowerPoint, not the PowerPoints, hold on. Okay, in chapter 2, you will see here the examples. So look, those actually exercises appear, okay, sequentially as the PowerPoints. All right, see, this is simple, this is simple. Let me go through the slides just to navigate. And in here, I think the second file is variable. So variable is here. Second, go and check it. Open it and exercise it. You have the answer there. I will show you how. I mean here, each concept, actually, for example, variables, it has an exercise for it. You have corresponding exercise to it. Again here, integer variables. This is integer variables. So as I said, they appear sequentially. So as you go to the examples of Java, you will see all of them. So this is the first part. The second part that I would like to speak to you is about your assignment 2, which is going to be available, I think, today or tomorrow. So this is actually the assignment. I will give it to you in Microsoft Word, not in PDF. So I expect that you will submit it to me also in Microsoft Word, along with the source code. Please read the instructions here. So you need to submit assignments to the Blackboard. I will need the source code in Java file. Then also I will need the code. You have to copy it and paste it in Microsoft Word. Why is that? Because sometimes, I face lots of problems sometimes in opening the Java file. It could be because the file is corrupted or just because of any error. So just to double confirm, I got your answer for the assignments, copy for me as well. So I will need two, the Java file, and also I need the doc in Microsoft Word. So here's the instructions, what you need to do. I will need your names. I mean, copy this and paste it to your program, but you need to fill up those information, for example, your name and so on. Okay, here's the total is 35 marks, all right? That the total. Of course, I will round it up to be 10% at the end. So this is the answer. So what you need to do is come up here and answer the question. Okay? Come up here and try to answer the question. Here, down. So you will tell me, okay, answer. Please don't use handwriting. I don't want handwriting. Again, same for this. Come up here, create space for yourself, and write answer. You just need to point it out. Again, here, write an interactive program in Java programming language, include the values, so and so. So, let me just make it down here. This is the third question. So this is the input. So I have given you specific input. To make sure your program is run, you should have those specific output. If you have different output, if you put this input and you have different output, your program has a semantic error. If your compile is correct, that's mean you have everything okay. However, if you produce different results or different result, so here you get a problem. The last question, which is question 4, is here, same, all right? I have given you sample of the input and output, how it should be, okay? You should produce the same result. If you want to make sure your program is working well, you have to compare my input with your input and my output with your output. So you should get the same answer. And something to highlight here, which is very important, you need to provide the flowchart and either the flowchart or the pseudocode. Okay? You need to go through them and you will see they explain them in the book, or you can find external materials. What is flowchart and what is pseudocode?